The 7 most terrifying versions of Superman. While Superman is typically portrayed as a symbol of hope and justice, various alternate versions and storylines have explored darker and more terrifying interpretations of the character. Here are 7 notable examples. 1. Injustice Superman. In the Injustice comic series and video game, Superman becomes a totalitarian ruler after the Joker tricks him into killing Lois Lane. Fueled by grief and anger, Superman establishes a regime where he enforces his own version of justice, often resorting to extreme measures and brutal tactics. 2. Red Sun Superman. In the Superman Red Sun storyline, Kal-El's spaceship lands in the Soviet Union instead of Smallville, Kansas. The character becomes a champion of communist ideals, leading to a vastly different and sometimes oppressive Superman. 3. Superman Prime 1 million. In the DC 1 million storyline, Superman Prime is a future version of the character who has absorbed vast amounts of solar energy, making him almost godlike. However, this power also drives him to madness, resulting in a disturbing and tyrannical persona. 4. Cyborg Superman Hank Henshaw. Hank Henshaw, also known as Cyborg Superman, is a villain who emerged after a space shuttle crash. His consciousness was transferred into a robotic body, and he blamed Superman for the tragedy. In some story arcs, Cyborg Superman exhibits a ruthless and destructive nature. 5. Superboss Prime. Superboss Prime, from the Infinite Crisis storyline, is an alternate version of Superman who becomes a major antagonist. Initially portrayed as a hero from a parallel Earth, he succumbs to madness, becoming an extremely powerful and violent force, wreaking havoc across the DC universe. 6. Bizarro. Bizarro is a flawed and imperfect clone of Superman, often portrayed with reversed moral values. While not inherently evil, Bizarro's distorted understanding of right and wrong can lead to chaotic and destructive behavior. 7. Doomsday Superman. In the Superman Doomed storyline, Superman is infected with a Doomsday virus that transforms him into a more aggressive and destructive version of himself. This version of Superman is willing to take extreme measures to protect Earth, even if it means becoming a threat to humanity. These alternate versions offer a darker and sometimes more unsettling take on Superman, challenging the traditional image of the iconic hero.